Hello everyone and welcome to the webinar and weekly market outlook. So here we are again. Previous week we wasn't there, I didn't have a time. So now let's see what we have for the upcoming week. Okay, so at the end of the webinar I will show you a couple of crypto investments that you can do. Okay, so bear with me till the end of the webinar and I will show you what are the good formations that are happening on the market, or which setups are currently giving us the market for some long-term investments. Okay, so market is almost ready. Okay, so we will wait just a couple of days to Bitcoin finish its movement, and then we'll start to build some positions, okay, for next few months. So guys, just feel free to ask anything. I'm here to answer all your questions. If there is not clear something to you, then use the chat, ask whatever you want, and we'll discuss about it. Okay, so for those who are there first time with me, we are trading based on wave analysis. It's not just the basic of wave analysis. This is a little bit upgraded version. Okay, it's upgraded based on my 9 years of experience trading on the financial markets. But yes, of course, I started with the basic Elliott wave theory, then I just modified a little bit, but because it didn't work for me. Okay, so those who are first time there, if you want to join my team and my academy, then you have to go to the website. Website is over there, or every video you'll find the social links and you can join us. Okay, you'll find the membership tab. You can read whatever you want on the site. And if there is something that you would love to ask, send me email. You can contact me there on TradingView. You can send me the Telegram message, whatever you want. Okay, and YouTube, of course, for all the previous videos or previous recordings you'll find over there, and as well under the stream tab on TradingView. Depends from where you are watching me or following me. Okay, so I see that people are coming slowly. Yeah, this is the different time. Usually we did this on Monday. Now we switched to Sunday back because many of you guys were sending me the messages that it was better for you to do the webinar on Sunday, so this is why I'm back now on the Sunday webinars. So every Sunday I will be there with you and we will watch the market together, so you'll have a time to prepare yourself, to prepare your setup, so you'll be able to trade and make some money during the week. Okay, so hi everyone to YouTube as well. So let's go slowly through the setups that I have posted over there for you. So under there you will find the idea that I have posted for you. Bitcoin idea is still there. It started to drop lower since Friday. Okay, so Friday I have posted the webinar over there. We were watching this in our academy. We are already short on Bitcoin and we will be short back at the previous low at least, or this is our target. Okay, so we have two targets. If you short it as well, there was a couple of sell stops over there on lower time frame, of course. Okay, so I have shared you the bigger picture, so from this picture you can see which direction we are trading and where is our target. But you have to watch the lower time frame to find the setup that's fine with you and go for the trade. Okay, you will of course have more setups over there. Okay, so setups will appear over there, especially if this goes back down at these lows. Okay, but if you will miss the trade, no worries, it still be the good chance to catch a buy. Okay, so the buy is gonna be a really good opportunity, so I would love every one of you catch that one. Okay, grab that opportunity in Bitcoin once this movement will be finished, but don't get into fast. Gold, yes, we'll watch the gold. Give me the stay with us a few minutes and yeah, we will watch it. We will definitely watch. We go to all those setups over there on my right side, you will see. Okay, so first we start the story. I will go through all the setup, all financial markets, and then I will go to the gold, silver, sugar, oil, and then indices, of course, and then we will have a look on the crypto, of course, and at the last we will watch the stocks. Okay, so seems that some of you are still interested for trading stocks. Okay, so we will watch what the market is trying to do over there on the stock market. So let me go to those setups so we'll know what is active, what to watch, what's outdated, and so on. Okay, so let's go. Aussie Chief, it's correcting over there, it will stay there. Okay, so one single candle which is breaking out doesn't mean anything. Okay, so don't panic. Okay, so I got some messages that people first time visit my profile and they found the Aussie Chief, they started selling it. No, there is the spot, and this is not the price action where you should sell. Okay, don't sell based on analysis. Wait for the flag, then sell. Okay, at least this is what you have to wait before you start selling. Okay, so watch over there during the next week. The nice opportunity is forming over there. You can start sell at least back to the trend line, but extended target is back at those lows. Okay, so this is the target that we are aiming. Okay, we will go for this trade. We are already having this trade on our watch list. USD CAD has just changed the pattern a little bit. Okay, so look at that one. So what happened? Now this becomes one huge expanded pattern. I have updated the idea over there. Okay, so if you were following me, you get the update on time. This pattern has changed itself and start pushing higher. So look at that one, it just start breaking higher over there. Strong impulse up here on lower time frame over there. You have enough time to grab the opportunity and start buying. So what should I do now from the current price on USD CAD? You should wait for any kind of the pullback before you start buying. Okay, so don't get in over there. Okay, that's not the price where you should jump. Okay, so we will watch in our team, we will watch there for the pullbacks, and then we will start shorting. If this will not appear, then we will close all buys on the break even. Okay, we will close them all on break even. So don't just open on analysis, guys. Trading, it's not that easy. Okay, it's not that easy as it looks like. There's much more behind the screens. Okay, it's not that easy as you think. Maybe everything, it's really important. Where you enter, how you enter, why you enter, where's your stop loss, and so on. Okay, and how fast you put on break even. There's many things that are behind the screens, but yeah, this is what I cannot teach you over there. It's too long. Okay, so then we will have a webinar which will be 2 hours, not 2 hours, 2 days long. So let's go. New Zealand USD went higher. So did we take any sells? Of course we didn't. Okay, of course we didn't take any sell order. That makes no sense, and there wasn't any sell setup. So we were just watching that, tracking this movement, how it was developing. There was a lot of momentum pushing the price to the upside, and New Zealand USD will now become a little bit difficult chart to trade because you will need a lot of experience. I will show you later on which moves and how this structure will get complicated before you will even catch the big move to the downside that many people are waiting for it to appear. Okay, so New Zealand USD will get complicated. So we'll show you later on how it will developing, what pattern we will have. Aussie USD, same there. Okay, it just went up back. Okay, it went up, struggling there. If you took a short over there, this trade should be a break even. Okay, if you did, in any case, if you are aggressive, if you were pushed by the FOMO effect, then you should close it on the break even over there. Okay, but right now the Aussie, it's a good chart to watch for the upcoming week. Okay, so this chart is a good chart to watch it to go all the way back at the low. Okay, so Aussie is a good chart to watch, nice potentials over there. Just wait for the sell stops and then we'll start trading it. Okay, so SP500 is struggling over there. Went for the little bit extended movement. Now there's the really important what you will do. Okay, so this could be just the running flat in the middle of the pattern. So that could be just the impulse, and then the running flat in the middle, it will go up and then it will break to the downside. Okay, so this is how things can get complicated. Okay, so don't rush for the trade. What you can do, or what I do recommend you to do, is wait for the price to go back. If it stops by the previous stop, not breaking higher, then there it will be the flat and you can sell it back at the low. Okay, but if this will start pushing higher, you'll simply just ignore it. You should not be in any sell over there, not even from there, not even from there, not even from there. You have to wait now. Okay, so let's see how that develops over there on lower time frame. It's really important that we'll get the flag and then you will trade to the downside. If it goes higher, then thank God we will have even bigger risk to reward ratio and the move will be faster. So that's the reason why it will be better to push for one leg higher. Okay, higher one. 5 wave is already done. We go far lower. No, it's not already done. So it's not already done. You need a confirmation, so don't be too fast. I'll go later on to all those setups. Okay, so now I'm just sharing and updating the setup that I have posted over there, and of course we'll go step by step into more details. So if you have questions, and if you already have the questions, just feel free to share there with me and with other people. Yeah, no, it's not ready yet. Okay, so you have to be really careful what you're doing currently from current spot. Maybe sometime it's needed before this will be completed. So Nasdaq 100, what this one is trying to do, same behavior. Okay, this could be just simple running flat, push for one more high, and this all to be one huge running flat, and then the price to continue its way to the downside. Okay, so keep in mind this picture on all the indices. All the indices can get complicated, and this is the picture that you have to keep in your mind. Or the other option is this one: tag the previous high and then drop down aggressively, so you can be selling it only on strong breaks to the downside. Okay, so setups are still there. What I have posted over there, it's waiting there on us. When it's closing under the last support, it's going lower, but the free phase already done. What the hell is support and resistance? That doesn't exist. Don't use this. You get confused and you'll blow up your account trading on support and resistance. That's not the stuff you have to use. Okay, so stay away from the support and resistance. Okay, so Canadian, what we are having over there. Okay, so setup is still there. There was a couple of sell stops, went up back higher on Friday. If you start selling, then it's just going lower. Okay, so here it is. There's the bigger structure now. Let it do whatever it wants to do. Come down and they will be buying. Okay, so if you catch those sales, great, you did a good job. There was a couple of sales that I've been sharing with you, and on Friday it started its movement and it's halfway already moved. So don't chase the price. Don't chase the price without having the correction over there. AUD went up for extension. Okay, I have this setup. It's updated over there at the top. So yes, it's down up there, and the rest is gone. Okay, so the rest is gone. This is what we've been already trading. Okay, so most of the trades are just went. USD CAD, it's still in the making. Opportunity there for more upside. It's still there. Okay, so this all is now one huge expanded flat. We are waiting for the correction and going higher. You have the last updated chart up there at the beginning of the ideas. AUD. Okay, so went for extensions over there. It will still go lower. Bitcoin went for the bigger correction over there as well. Okay, went lower, killed the momentum and reversed to the upside. Now it's going lower finally. What else? Oil struggling at the top, pushing even higher. Okay, there was just small sell, ended up with break even, that's all, and the rest is just gone. Okay, this has been already traded ideas. Okay, so those are the profit that we took. Okay, so those who are first time there, we already take profits from all those positions. It's gone. Okay, so many of them are just gone. Okay, you have nothing to do on the charts. Okay, the crypto was a good one. Okay, those who were trading on leverage. Now we are slowly getting some chances for spot traders again. Okay, so I've been warning you since the December. Okay, since the December I was warning you, do not spot buy on any crypto. Okay, any crypto wasn't tradable till now. Now there are some opportunities that are trying to form across the market. So bear with me, I will show you which are the good charts for spot trading. Okay, so now the leverage traders will change their directions. Okay, so stop selling, now we'll start buying with the leverage. Okay, but slowly, there are still some moves that needs to complete before we will start buying. Okay, so spot traders may start watching the charts now. I'm again warning you, as I have warned you for those sells. Okay, so that wasn't just the sell we took. Okay, that's not the sell we just took. Okay, the whole crypto market went down. Okay, so if you are first time there, if you go back and watch the webinar since December, okay, watch the webinar since the December, you'll see we've been expecting the whole crypto market to go down. Okay, every single step was tracked and it was tradable for those who know how to trade it, of course. Okay, so everything was tradable till now. Now we're changing our direction. So take some time, watch the webinar since the December. You'll learn something and you'll see how forecast works. It's easy, right? And yeah, these are the charts that are almost done. Okay, we cannot do anything over there. Okay, look at that one. We've been forecasting these as well. They're all going down, so I didn't post any other cryptos over there. So okay, let's go. What's my target in the Bitcoin? Tagging the previous low. Okay, tagging the previous low, my friend. So if you stay there, we'll watch. I will first go quickly to those setups, quick look on the setups on the Forex, then we'll have a discussion about the crypto. Of course, we'll start with the Bitcoin and see what is coming next over there on the crypto market. So let's start quickly now. DXY, dollar, what we can expect on the dollar. Dollar, it's at the top. We need some pullbacks, of course. Okay, so this could just drop down. It will not drop down totally. I don't see drop on dollar right now. Okay, I don't see this kind of the movement. I see drop just to complete this, let's say, running flat for more upside. Okay, so this has to appear over there. Can you have a look on Matic and TLM? Yes, we will have a look. No worries, just stay there. Okay, just stay there. We will discuss about. I will go mostly through all the coins, and if there will be the coin that I don't have on my watch list, then I will add it for you and we will discuss about it. Okay, so let's go. This to go lower and then we'll be buying it over there. So USD CAD, like I have shown you, idea it's there, you can start buying it. There was the nice impulse that was appearing on the lower time frame, especially it was really nicely visible, so you have enough time to enter, to join on this trade. There was as well the running flat that has appeared on lower time frames, so if you were capable to get into this trade, so nice trade was over there. You're supposed to close this or move this trade on break even, sorry. Okay, put this trade on break even on lower time frame. There was the running flat and you have to join it. If you didn't, then don't do anything right now. We need a deeper corrections over there. Okay, we need something like this, and then we will decide to add more trades. Of course, we will be adding a lot of trades over there on the USD CAD potential. It's quite huge, and we have to trade it at least back at the previous top. Then we will decide what to do at that top over there. Okay, please analyze Shiba. Oh yeah, I will. Shiba, it's having a good potential, I think so. So USD Chief, what is USD Chief? It's not so tradable right now. Okay, so let it go lower. Let it go lower. Tag those lows over there. Okay, and then we'll start buying it. Of course, you'll find the buy stop over there from the bottom. I don't think this one will go lower. Okay, so really not showing any signs that this is going totally down. That's gonna lose its momentum over there, and then we'll start buying it back at the previous top at least. So this will be the move that you have to target. Okay, don't focus on this, focus on the buy. So let this to finish itself during the week, next week, and we will be buying it. Okay, nice opportunity will appear over there. Mexican Mexican will go as well for one more low. Okay, so this is gonna go lower to give us the running flat over there, go once back at the top. Okay, this, and then it will go lower, and this all will become one big correction for the sell. Okay, so be careful if you're trading on USD Mexican, that could go really fast. Out South African rand, what we're having there is nice flat was forming, a nice running flat was forming over there, and this to keep on pushing higher. A nice setup as well, it's over there. What I do see is I really expect that our South African rand will tag the previous stop. Okay, this move to appear over there and tag the previous high over there, so keep your eyes for your buy setup, especially on the lower time frame. So AUD, that's what I was saying. AUD, it's a nice chart that you all should keep an eye on it. Okay, so what the price can do, it can struggle there the next couple of days. Maybe on Tuesday that could start breaking lower, and this is the time where you should start watching to take a sell, because the move is gonna be a nice move over there. Okay, so if you miss this first impulse over there, or first move, let's say like that, don't worry guys, do not be frustrated. There will be a couple of opportunities that you will be able to join. Okay, so don't stress yourself. If you'll be sleeping, if you'll be doing whatever, don't be stressful. A lot of opportunities will form over there, so you cannot miss anything if you know in which direction you're trading. Okay, so stay calm. We will definitely watch for this movement, full tracking. Okay, so my traders will put that on watch list, because the money is waiting, it's sitting over there on the Aussie USD. Aussie Chief, what we are having over there, it's posted already, as you can see. We completed the move. Okay, we completed the move, and we will same wait for some kind of the reactions over there to keep on pushing lower. Back at those low will be our target. How far, how fast it will go, nobody knows, but wait for it. Okay, wait for it. Once it will go, start watching for the lower time frame flags. Okay, flag is what you want to see on lower time frame before you'll jump into the trade. Aussie New Zealand. Okay, so Aussie New Zealand, basically it's on the top. Okay, so if we watch this daily structure over there, so what you can see, or what is really nicely visible from this higher time frame over there, is that this is gonna go and extend one more leg lower. Okay, so I'm really not sure that this is gonna go and break to the upside, so not right for now. Okay, so watch first the sell. If this sell stop by this low, loses momentum, then possibility exists that we are going back at this top over there. Okay, so keep in mind, this is one option. Other option is this will be keep going, one more correction over there, and then keep going back at those lows, and then to start going higher back at this top, tagging the top, sorry, and then it will go to the downside. A huge move, volatile move will appear later on. But first, definitely watch for this one, add on lower time frame sell stops, take your profit around the previous low, watch for the buy. Okay, maybe that seems too complicated for you now, but once you understand the logic behind the charts, how they move, why they move, how they appear, it's not that hard. Okay, it's not that hard. If you train your eyes every day, watching the patterns, how they develop, you will train your eyes, mind, and of course you will know what are you doing, how charts moves. Okay, Aussie CAD went up higher, so I didn't expect that it will break out. Okay, so I personally didn't expect that Aussie CAD will break out. It did break out, so nothing was wrong with that. We didn't take any sells. We are not selling on the trend lines. This is the stupidest idea, so we are always waiting for the confirmations. We didn't have any confirmation for sell over there, so this was the reason why we didn't sell. Okay, there was the buy setup instead of the sell, but we saw that we didn't took any buys over there. Okay, so that was just the move we didn't expect, so it doesn't matter. We will keep watching for the sell stops over there. Okay, so I still don't believe that CAD is going totally to the upside. Okay, so this is not the move which will push the pair totally to the upside back at the previous top. Okay, first what we will do, there it will be the correction at least, and then it will go up. So you can watch for the sell stops if you want to go and trade this correction over there, but that's gonna be a slow move over there, slow movement over there. Price may go sideways as well. Okay, so not so tradable for the upcoming week Aussie CAD, so rather skip it. I really do not recommend you trading it on Aussie CAD. So New Zealand Chief, what we are having over there is price is trying to go higher. There's a nice running flat, as you can see. Let me move lower time frame. I don't know what I'm doing on daily. Sometimes I just forget to change the time frames, but the picture should be the same. Okay, so here's nicely visible running flat going higher. Now the structure is completed for us. Okay, now we will start watching for sells over there back at these lows. Okay, so something like this is what we are currently having, and we will go lower right now. Okay, so next week our job is to start searching for sell stops, but be careful, this can just drop down, these to be in running flat going higher, complete this movement, and then it will start dropping. So be careful, it could struggle there in the middle of the week, maybe it will be ready. Okay, so someone on Wednesday this may start going down, but of course you can start selling this move. Okay, if it stops somewhere there, then definitely you will take off a profit, wait for new high, then you will sell again. Hello maiden, yes, we will watch Bitcoin, ADA, Ethereum, DOT, please. Yes, we will watch. Thanks for letting me know what you are interested for. Which charts are you interested? I will definitely put that on my let's say watch list, and we will discuss about it. What game FTM trying to play? I have no idea. We will see. I think the FTM it's a good chart to watch. Okay, so let's go to those Forex. It seems that there are a lot of crypto guys on the webinar, so Forex guys are probably sleeping because they know that the market is closed, and they will watch the webinar tomorrow morning once the setups will be ready. Crypto guys, you are always there. As I can see, you are always active as the market 24/7. You probably don't sleep. So New Zealand USD, what the New Zealand USD is doing over there. Okay, so you have to understand the structure. Look at that one. Okay, so this is the pattern where things get complicated. Some of the people will think that this is going to drop amazingly. No, it's not true. Okay, so this thing is gonna go struggle there, and then it will go higher. So we have to see one more drop, we will be buying, and then we will be finally selling. But if you want, definitely you can go for this sell over there back at that trend line. Okay, so you can go for this movement, and definitely for the buy is gonna be a nice opportunity. Of course we will take it, depends on setup, which setups will form over there, and we'll go for this movement. It will give us a nice money, at least back at the previous highs. Okay, break them and then we'll take profit probably, but we'll see. So what you have to do on lower time frame, on 1 hour, you can wait for this movement, you can wait for this movement, and then you can start selling. Okay, so probably again on Wednesday you will be able to start watching for the sales over there on New Zealand USD. Okay, but definitely you can start selling if you find the sell stop. Okay, but I'm not sure that this move will give us the sell right there. Okay, that can just even open with the gap going up, and then we'll start going down, and then finally up. Okay, I'm late again, just been making sauce from my pasta. Great, so at least you're not hungry, so you can now enjoy with full stomach enjoying and watching the webinar. That's great. Hi, thanks for doing this on a Sunday, much appreciated. Yeah, I have the webinars now on Sunday because most of you like the webinar on Sunday more than Monday. So I will have webinars every Sunday. Okay, so we are back with the old schedule. Before we have it every Sunday, then we move it to Monday. Now we are back on Sunday webinar. So for me, there is no problem. If you guys have more free time to watch the webinar, to join the webinar on Sunday, then I will have the webinars on Sundays only. Okay, so no worries. Able to follow, but wondering if there's any sound. Yes, that's probably on your side. People are having the sound, so that may be from your side. So be careful how you're trading in New Zealand over there. Okay, so next, what else we are having over there is New Zealand CAD. Okay, so New Zealand CAD, it's trying to reach the top. Don't buy, of course, we will not buy at the top. That ain't gonna go out of this structure, at least not yet. I don't see this kind of the movement. Okay, so what I see is back at the trend line first, then may breakout appear, so that's gonna take whole next week. Okay, so watch for the sell stops. You can get into the sell for this correction over there. Okay, so wait for the sell stops, then take a sell, and watch to take off your profit over there. In any case, if the price will be aggressive over there, just hold those trades. It's gonna go reach the previous low, but I'm not sure that this is gonna go and break down. Okay, at least not yet. I'm seeing this one more move to the upside, then down. Okay, so yeah, you have to find the sell stop. You can take the sell stop, of course, because you will never know which one will break down. Okay, but once it starts to breaking down, you will be too late. Okay, so euro dollar tagging the previous low almost. Okay, so we are really deep. What we can see over there is this is gonna go and probably pull back. Okay, nice correction will appear and then more drop will appear over there. Okay, so similar like this one over there, bigger correction to appear even out of this structure, and then it will go lower. Okay, so non-tradable chart is euro dollar for the upcoming week. Just skip it. I ain't gonna spend time over there to talk about the euro USD because it's not worth of talking. Okay, euro CAD, definitely this is the move you will be anticipating the upcoming week, so let it do whatever it wants to do and you will be buying all the setups back at that trend line. Euro Aussie, it's gone, so there's nothing to do. Skip those charts, skip this one as well. Euro Chief, skip that one as well. It's gone. Euro GBP, that one may give us some opportunities over there because we are at the bottom, so you can see we are taking the bottom slowly. And definitely we will watch there as well for the buy stops. Okay, so buy stops is what we will be aiming over there, so watch it. Watch this to break out aggressively and continue its wave and add your trades on pullback. Every pullback, every flag you can be adding. Okay, this move could be quite fast. Euro Polish Zloty went up higher fast than we imagined. Okay, went up really nicely, so non-tradable currently. Let it do whatever it wants to do. It's gonna struggle probably whole next week and then it will start going for the deeper correction. So not much over there, not much. So Euro Nokian, this one it's gonna go lower probably. Okay, it will just correct and then it will go lower. So let it do whatever it wants to do and take your sell stops. Okay, opportunity for sell will appear over there. Pound yen went down nicely. Okay, so there was the flat that has formed on Friday. Okay, so Friday formation was over there and then it just started going lower. Okay, so we find it, we are selling it from the top. Okay, it was really nice opportunity, nice setup over there to take some money on this small movement pound yen. Okay, so what we will do, I will wait for the more correction and we'll be keep adding some sales. Okay, so potential it's really big. Okay, we are going even breaking this low or there's something like this is what we will have. Okay, breaking these lows, even extending, because we didn't break the top, right? Yes, we didn't break the top, then we'll definitely break the low. So this is the rule, and somewhere there, if you pull the trend line there, yes, something like this can appear easily. So watch for the sell stops on pound yen. Definitely you wanna see the sell stops. CAD yen, not much to do. If you were selling it from the top, now this is gone story for you. If this goes like this, now struggle there, go for one more up, ignore the buy and start selling it once this is completed. Okay, so correction will appear over there. Correction will appear and definitely you can go for the sell, take the sell back at the previous low, small trade of course, but it's worth of taking it. It can even go a little bit lower, then you will be just lucky. That will be the bonus money for you. So Aussie yen, what it's trying to do is this is just the struggle there. Okay, Aussie yen may drop down. Okay, may drop down even on the market open. Okay, so we have to see what the price is trying to do, but be careful, don't be in the trade too early. Okay, you want to see there the strong break, don't just jump with one small candle, one red candle. euro yen. But yeah, I just forgot to say, definitely a whole next week you can sell the Aussie yen. Okay, sell it whole next week. Even the next week, 2 week trade will be this probably. Euro yen, it's almost at the bottom. Don't sell it anymore. We're gonna buy it slowly. Okay, we're gonna buy it slowly. I think that this is all of the correction that we have over there. Went lower, we break all the lows, and this will start going higher. Now wait for the buy opportunities. Don't chase the sell. That's not gonna go deeper. Okay, at least not yet. I don't see the move to go right now. Okay, if do so, we need a correction, we need a pullback, we need something if this will go and continue its way to the downside. But if you're selling it from there, great job. We've been talking about this on the webinar, so you should take off some profits. Okay, some of my traders took the sells over there. There were sellers from those spots, and for my traders, I do recommend you taking your profit away from the market. Okay, I think the euro yen has completed its movement, and take it off, we will add on the next pullback. So those who are not in, wait for the buy stops. Okay, wait for the buy stop, we will start going higher. Okay, but let it struggle over there, let it lose some momentum, let it do whatever it wants to do there at the bottom, and then we will start buying it, of course. New Zealand yen, it's there, and nice setup for the upcoming week. So let's watch for these sales over there. This may also go just drop down, give us something like this, going higher, break all the tops, and then it will just break down aggressively. So be prepared for this movement. In case if it stops over there, lose its momentum, you should take off your profit or move all your trades on the break even, and then you will be buying. If you don't want to buy, then definitely you have to be the seller over there. It's gonna be a huge movement and nice money. Chief yen, non-tradable for me. Okay, I don't love these moves that are not aggressive. Okay, so Chief is a little bit specific one. Okay, so he's not moving aggressively, he's moving, but he's moving slowly, so he could go down like this, but it will go down. USDN went lower, so now this is some kind of the flat for me. Okay, so that looks like a flat formation over there. We have a nice flat over there, and it could just go for one more high. Okay, so break those tops and then it can go lower, so be aware of this kind of the setup over there. Definitely if you are a seller from there, you can take off your profit slowly. Taking your profit slowly over there on USDN. Can this go down? Possible, but that should go aggressively now. Okay, so if you have an open trade, watch it, how it opens, how it develops there, and if it's losing its momentum, not moving anywhere, close it. Okay, because it's gonna go to reverse. Pound USD, it's gone. So nothing for you right now. I think that this is now all of the structure. We are going to pull back or go at least for the one more wave to the upside. So don't chase the sell. Sell is gone. Those who were selling it, some my traders did, take off your profit again. So you rather prepare yourself for the buy. Okay, something like this can appear over there again, up, correction, and then up, and then it'll go lower. Okay, if do so, but definitely you can trade this buy over there once it will start to appearing over there. On 1 hour this will be nicely visible, but currently there is this small sell over there. So if you're still holding, hold it, it's gonna go break the low, and then you have to take off your profit. It's gonna go for the deeper correction after that. Pound chief, almost tagging its low. Okay, so if you see this one, I can show you one benefit now today. So keep in mind this one. This is a similar structure that we have on the Aussie New Zealand. Okay, so quick education for you. That works everywhere on crypto, stocks, indices, whatever you're watching. So quick example how these patterns are going lower. This one is gone, you cannot trade it anymore over there. Okay, so don't sell it over there. It's not worth of selling it over there. But what is the benefit where you can apply this knowledge? It's Aussie New Zealand. Look at that one, where we are. Similar structure formation over there, you see, and then going lower. So this is a move which will appear over there. It could be really fast movement, so it's really worth of taking the sell over there on the Aussie New Zealand. Yeah, right. So based from this chart, you can see that the Aussie will lose its momentum and New Zealand will go for one more extension to the upside. So as well, the Aussie USD will be good chart to watch for selling it. Okay, so those charts are really good to sell Aussie USD, Aussie New Zealand. Okay, so I will not go into that much details. Don't want that this webinar will be 5 hours long because if we are going into the details, I can talk really long. But yeah, you have to understand this similarity from the Aussie New Zealand. Okay, so Aussie New Zealand is having exactly similar structure right there. Okay, it's gonna go dropping lower. So pound chief non-tradable. Let it drop this week, and the next week we will watch for the buy stops. Okay, so let's do whatever it wants to do. Ignore the pound chief. Pound Aussie went lower, nothing to do right now. It just retests the previous low, going lower. Let do whatever it wants to do. Probably it will go for the correction and then will sell again. Okay, pound New Zealand same there. Okay, it's gone. Nothing to do right there. Oh, sorry. Pound cat going lower. Can I add more trades? No. Okay, that's not good opportunity to go for sell there. Okay, so this could be expanded at one more high, giving you the complicated structure, tagging this high, going lower, and you will have this move. Okay, rather wait for this movement, wait for the buy. Now don't go for the sell. Okay, sell is gone. If you took a less chance for the sell over there, great, put on break even and see how it goes. Okay, that was the last chance for selling. I personally didn't go for this sell. Okay, I'm not interested for this one, would rather start buying it in case if it appears. Okay, if not, then I will wait for the correction and I will sell. Then I will become the seller over there. So they always can just deep pull back and then they go. Okay, so these patterns can go over there, even retesting close to the previous low, and then they will go higher. Okay, they are difficult to trade. You need a lot of knowledge to be able to catch this trade. Okay, so but what you can do, let it die out of the momentum. Catch if same there. Okay, let it go lower. If you were selling it from there, great, your profit is there. This is your taking profit areas. For those who are not in, wait. Okay, wait more, let it take the low, and then you will start buying it. Okay, this is your trade. Okay, so those who are not taking the money from the sell, you should get ready yourself for the buy. Buy is where you can make money. Okay, but those who are selling it, watch to take profit around the previous low. Okay, I think this is the best option to watch for the profit. I ain't gonna see this one going back at this low, at least not for now. Chief Nokian. This to go lower and even taking this low, yes, possible, but not good chart, so skip it. I don't like to trade over there, and especially with, there's not a lot of information, confirmed information, so I would just skip it. Just skip the chart. Chief Nokian is not available. Okay, so here we are back on the gold. Now we will start. Now we have finished the Forex setups. Now we'll start with the commodities, and we'll go take a look for the indices and then as well for the cryptos. So crypto guys are building their patient, watching the webinar. They are patiently watching for setups, for their crypto setups to be shown over there. So this is really good. So if you can hold your patient till the end of the webinar to see the setups, then you have a lot of opportunities to be a good trader or investor. So gold, let's finish with the gold. Where are the guys that are interested for the gold? Gold will not go higher, okay? So that's not a good information for you. I don't see gold going higher, okay? So what I see on the gold is it can just struggle over there. Okay, so it can start bouncing from the top, going back at the low, and then you will start buying it. Okay, so this will be the option. This will be the setup to buy. If it bounces from this low, going back at the previous low, then we'll start buying it. Don't buy it from there. It doesn't matter if it breaks out of this high. Okay, so if it breaks higher than this high, what it will do? Okay, so first what you can do, it will drop, giving you something like this. going higher, break this top, break down, not breaking this low, giving you the running flat, and then they will go high. Okay, so only the way like that you will be able to catch it. Okay, only the way like that you'll be able to catch the buy, but it's too far away from buying it. Okay, so first you can first, not force, focus yourself to catch the sells. Okay, not this one, but this one, or this one, depends if there will be the flat or running flat. We don't know yet, but we will definitely watch it. Lower time frame will show us on time what the chart is trying to do, but definitely I will watch if this will start bouncing from the previous top. Okay, if we'll see there any reactions, then we'll go for the previous low. This will be our first target. Can it totally drop lower? Let me see. Yes, it can. That can go back at this low as well. Okay, we break the top, we are the top, not aggressive so much, and especially if we will go straight through the previous low, then we are going back at the previous low. Okay, so it's a really nice spot to start selling it. Okay, sell it, find the good sell stop and go for it. Yeah, right, it's worth of taking it. At least you'll have a break-even trade, and you will catch a nice movement if it will start going. So similar with the silver, it's already going, so what it could do, it could the same, push higher during the next few days, drop lower, don't be confused, it ain't gonna totally drop, gonna go higher and then it can drop. Okay, so be aware, this is how it can develop. This is what I was talking about. The gold can do exactly the similar way. We are there with the gold, for example, somewhere now, and we just have to watch it. Silver, it's already doing this. But definitely I'll watch for this movement first, then I will be buyer, not before that. Silver has a good potential because we tagged the previous low already. Okay, so this is a good stuff, and this now to just push higher, but not like this. We need a correction, and then we'll start buying it. Definitely it's a good buy opportunity, especially if it does like this. If not, then it's not your problem, you have to sell it. Okay, right? You have to be open for all the possibilities. Grab every possibility. If you are wrong, you have to be taken out with a break even. If you are right, you have to be there in the profit. Sugar trying to push higher, so what is it trying to do? Let me see. It's gonna go take the previous high probably. Okay, so, but not like this. Don't buy it over there, it's not making any sense. Okay, so it could just struggle there. If it struggles there, slowly tagging and breaking the previous top, it could just drop, so be careful over there at the previous top. Not good chart to sell. Oil, what you can do, definitely watch for sell stops. We are tagging the previous low, and this should appear over there. Okay, so deeper correction is what I'm waiting before any buys will appear over there. So don't do anything, don't chase the price right now. It's gonna go for the deeper correction. Same with the UK oil. Okay, they all are showing me this big correction, this 4-hour correction before they continue its movement over there. Okay, so look at that one. Okay, this one tagging going lower. Even if it breaks high, they will still have to come down, and then they will go up, so be careful. Natural gas, what we're having over there, breaking lower, going higher, and then they will go lower, and then they will go higher. So complicated, right? So let's see, this, and then they can drop, and then they can go higher. Okay, so be aware. not the long-term profits over there. So just a second, let me just grab a sip of water. When do you start crypto? What did you mean exactly with this question? When do I start crypto? What was your question exactly? I think I don't understand it properly. Okay, so just type in I will move forward. crypto traders are losing their patience, so I have to speed up a little bit. So indices, that was what I was mentioning at the beginning of the webinar. So here we are, okay? So here we are, and there's the place where we have to be special cautious about this trade over there, okay? So what the price is trying to do is, oh, you mean when we will start with the crypto analysis right now? Okay, so maybe 5 more minutes. I have to complete just the indices, and then we will start with the crypto world. I will show you the best investment, long-term investment. We'll go through the setups that I have mentioned at the beginning, and what the Bitcoin will do. We'll have a discussion about the crypto, of course, so no worries, bear with me. Can you please kindly look again into oil? Why? Skip the oil, buddy. It's not much, okay? So it can just take the previous high going lower and then go high, or even extend this movement even deeper, okay? So not much on the oil. Same there, okay? UK oil, this sell, it's over there. But you can watch, you can take a sell opportunities over there, and that will be everything, okay? Thank you, you are welcome. So indices, what I was mentioning at the beginning of the webinar was this exact structure, okay? So this is the most confusing structure that usually people are losing their money. They are getting into the market too fast, and that was the problem, okay? So learn now from this kind of the behavior, okay? So here it is. This could be just the part of the structure of the corrective movement, and this could go for one more high, complete this structure, and it will still go down. Now the problem is that people will run for the sells over there. They will start selling it, and they will be stopped out really fast. Or even the bad idea, they are already selling it and they are not aware of this movement to appear over there, and this is the problem, okay? So you have to keep in mind that this move can appear there really easily. Even in the next upcoming days, this move can appear. And what you have to wait, or when I can sell, okay? You can sell if this, let me just move on 1 hour. This move has to confirm the drop, okay? So this is the move going higher, back at this top, and then it's going lower. Then you can sell the strong break to the downside. This will be your target, okay? So this is the time when you should start selling. You should not be selling it from there where it is right now. It's not making any sense, okay? Or the second option, you can start selling if you see the strong candle started to appear over there. Then you can find your sells over there and take a sell back at the previous low at least, and even deeper. So there it will be your chance to sell. You need a strong candles, okay? Strong candles like this. This is what you need. Then you start selling. You'll see this really nicely on 4 hour, okay? 4 hour candle. If you're watching to sell there, this over there. Let it break. Let it stay there a couple more hours, and then you can start selling it, okay? So don't be too fast. But yeah, I really see that this one will give you a nice flat over there and then going lower. Or at least a running flat, breaking higher and then lower. That's what it usually does. But if it goes higher, you know what they are doing. They are not reversing totally, okay? That's not time to reverse the indices. It's not the time of the year where you will see the reversal of the indices and to go back at the previous high. No, that's not gonna happen. But they can extend their correction over there and give you just the bigger correction. The direction will still be for the sell, so stick with the setups, don't get in too early, and don't panic, you will not miss anything. Oops, sorry. SP 500, same behavior over there. I will not repeat the same stuff over there. They are all the same. Nasdaq 100, SP 500, if they go back at the top, stop there, breaking lower, you can sell. Okay, they will start going, and then this will be all of the structure, and we are completely going lower. But this complication exists over there, so you have to just keep in mind in case if that started to develop, it started appearing, so you'll know what the price is trying to do. US 30, same there, you see. I'm really seeing this kind of the option, but who said that I will not change it? If it starts dropping, then I can change my mind, okay? We will watch it differently in our community, okay? My traders know what to do. If this starts to drop, they know what to do. But I will be really happy if this extends higher, and then I will be selling it from the highs Okay, my risk to reward ratio will be even better, and this move will be faster, stronger. Okay, we'll have the strong movement like we have it over there. Okay, this is what we can expect then from there to just go aggressively down. Okay, nice money. UK 100 already dropped. There's nothing to do. There was one correction over there. Forming went lower, so just skip it. It's not tradable for us, at least until it gets or gives us the correction. For this one, FR4 the same. It's non-tradable for us. If you're in, you are in. If you're not, just stay away from it. Same there. Oh, sorry. Same there. Non-tradable German as well. Non-tradable JP225. This one may go for the correction as well. Okay, so slowly take the previous low, going up, giving you the 4-hour correction. These flats to appear before pushing lower. Okay, that's what you can have or face there on JP225. Aussie 200, same there. They can go for one more high easily. Okay, so this will be the movement and then going lower. So this huge structure over there. This is not the Aussie index. Many of you were asking me if the Aussie 200 is Aussie index. No, that's not. That has nothing to do with the Aussie pairs. Okay, that has nothing to do with the Aussie pairs. So what this can do, this is just the middle correction, going higher and then we'll go lower. So that's what you have to keep in mind, what the price can do. But here is the good point already. What I was saying for the others, for Nasdaq, SP500 and US30, what they have to do, this. And if this starts to breaking down aggressively, then yeah, I can sell. Okay, so then I can sell it and going lower. Okay, so this is, come on, this is what we are searching for. Okay, then we can start watching for sales. So Aus 200, it's a nice thing to watch over there, especially if this stops over there, hold it, lose its momentum, and then you have some opportunity for selling it from where it is right now, or rather wait for strong break to downside, then take a sell back at the previous low, even lower, a little bit lower, it will break it. So that's your job. HK 50, nothing to do, skip it. China 50, nothing to do, just skip it. It's just gone. That's gonna go for the pullback, probably don't buy the pullback and then you'll sell. Okay, so here we are back at the crypto market. So did you guys lost your patience waiting that long for the crypto? I think that wasn't so long, it was just an hour. Usually we spend an hour to come to the crypto, so you should not run out of patience. Okay, so I say at the beginning of the webinar that I will show the setups that are good for long-term investment. Okay, so I will show you the setups where you can invest and just forget it. Okay, just forget it for the next couple of months. Definitely will make money. Okay, definitely you will make money. The worst case scenario is you will make money in 6 months instead of 2. Okay, so this is the worst case scenario which can happen to you. Okay, but you will make money. Okay, so where are now those crypto traders? Everything is so quiet on the chat, so hope you didn't fall asleep. Let me know, guys, are you more leverage traders on crypto or you are spot traders on crypto? Let's see, I really want to know for which direction we will be talking, or which setup should I share. I really prefer a spot trading, and especially if you're a new trader or a new investor, let's say like that, because leverage is kind of hard and a lot of volatility is there, and that's true that you can make a lot of money with this volatility, but it's also true that you can lose a lot of money or you can blow up your account in a few seconds because of a lot of volatility. So I don't think it's worth of doing this. So would really prefer everyone to spot trade, but like I said, I cannot push anybody. Oh, leverage both. Okay, so both is as well good option. Okay, especially now in this time leverage. So one guy that is for leverage, you should switch to the spot now. It's much more secure, and leverage is going out of opportunities. There was a lot of good opportunities. You should make a lot of money over there on the leverage. It's been a nice market for leverage traders last 3 months, more, even 4 months. Okay, really good market for leverage traders. So hope you guys leverage traders made some money. So let's talk about Bitcoin right now. What are your expectations, guys? Where the Bitcoin will go? What do you think? So, yeah, the Bitcoin definitely needs to complete that pattern over that is appearing over there. Okay, so we have to watch for this move to complete, and we'll have a lot of opportunities there on the crypto. This will be probably the last push to the upside, and then we will be going downside. So it's a lifetime opportunity that is currently forming on crypto, I think. And I don't mean lifetime opportunity, but less chance to make money, because then leverage traders will be again in action. Okay, so yeah, all those who are first time there with me, you should be making money in all this movement. Okay, so if you didn't make any money over there on this wave to the downside, once Bitcoin was pushing lower, then you are miss something. You are miss the really important stuff of the knowledge. Okay, if you didn't make money over there, then you will not make money once this thing will go higher. So you have to grab some knowledge, you start to study the chart, give some focus to the charts. It's not that easy as you think maybe sometimes. Okay, so sometimes you will need a lot of time to spend before the computer to study the charts. Is this on the 4-hour head and shoulders patterns? No, we don't watch the head and shoulders patterns. Okay, that's not, we don't use the head and shoulders. Okay, and where do you see it? If this was so, then this is not the head and shoulders. Okay, so try to forget about the head and shoulders. That's gonna confuse you, and you can see it all across the market and so on. Grab the concept. Okay, grab the concept about the trading, about the patterns. So what we are aiming now is this has to go down at least one more low, breaking this or tagging the low, or even this low. Okay, so we have two opportunities: tagging this low or tagging this low. Which one? It doesn't matter. We will be on time. We will see there once this will start to change its direction. Okay, so if you see this kind of structure there, you see correction there, breaking down, breaking the low, and then starts to turn. So similar behavior over there could appear. Okay, then this will not be this kind of then we'll have a contracting flat or running flat, let's say. Okay, this will be the running flat, all these, and we will be heading to the upside. 70k will be previous target, 75k will be our target, but let's not confuse ourselves with those ABC 1 to 3 and so on. Okay, so ICP, there are many diversions on daily and weekly time frames. Can you tell me what you think about it? Yes, diversions is not that important. Okay, diversion, it's not so important over there, but what I'm focusing on is this. Once this will be finished, definitely you'll see some reactions as we had over there. Okay, so that ain't gonna spike down and spike up in the straight line. That's not happening, and we have to use the lower time frame. Okay, lower time frame, it's showing over there that this is gonna go and push lower. I don't see this structure going higher over there from the price, from the current price. It's true that it's losing its momentum. Some momentum, it's it's dead over there. It's not a strong volatility, but they can just correct and then go lower, similar as they did there. Okay, so they break and they correct again. So they break, they correct again, and then they go. Okay, same there. Okay, so they cannot go so fast. Okay, they can go pull back, drop, pull back, drop, pull back, drop. That's what all what they can do, and that should not confuse you. So if you sell it and hold it back at the previous low. Okay, it should go. If it starts to give you any buy stop, any loss of momentum, you have to close all your trades with a break-even trade. Okay, so this is a little bit of educational stuff for you guys, especially if you're first time there. And what we will be happy over there if this goes and give us the correction like this and then drop. Okay, so they always does the corrections, and I will not be surprised if this will correct over there before they will drop totally. Okay, I really will not be surprised if they correct after this moment, bigger correction, bigger correction, and then less drop to break all those lows and then going higher. Okay, so as we have over there. Okay, so it's a really nice example. After some kind of the movement, they should pull back. So really, we will not be surprised. We have to close every sell that you have taken over there. If you did so, you should close the break even, because you should not be holding it into the minus. Okay, that's not the way of trading. You should not trade like that, especially if you're a leverage trader. You should not keep your money on table, especially open. Okay, that's not the part of the game, and it's not smart decision. So if you have this kind of the correction, definitely you can sell more, add new trades, add more trades, and this will be your trade back at the previous low. Okay, so is it clear what the Bitcoin is trying to do? So everyone should understand the view and what we are aiming over there on the Bitcoin, what are our expectations. So on the 4 hour, it will be just the little tiny correction, which is already can appear. Okay, look at that one, and then up, and then like this. Just the one small correction. It doesn't need to be the big. It could be as well like this one. Okay, who's saying that this cannot appear? Okay, so this is going up, then going lower, then going up, then going lower, then going up, and then they go down. Okay, so but that's gonna be the complicated correction. I ain't gonna go that far. Okay, don't want to confuse you. Just watch it how this develops in 1 hour during the week. Okay, during the week you can sell this flag. This big correction will be really good for you. Could this be a triangle for Bitcoin? I don't see the triangle formation over there. Oh, you mean this one? That could be the contracting flag, but yeah, this is the contracting flag, which is over. It could be completed. It does need to contain the five waves. Okay, that could be all three structure triangles that are something what is not in the book. Okay, this is what we are using. So this is the this is what I'm teaching people. That's the new version of wave analysis. You'll not find all those patterns in the book. It's outdated, but it's really good. So those who are first time there, who has no knowledge, they should read the basics. Okay, so let's go. Let's see what we will have over there. Okay, on the chart. So Bitcoin dominance can drag back at the previous high. Okay, so this is the last push that will Bitcoin dominance push. So you have a little bit more time on all the altcoins, so you don't need to rush. Okay, but you can buy. Okay, especially if you are the spot trader, you will not care about this small move. You can live through this. Okay, you will survive the minus which you will generate, for example, if you do so. And yeah, no worries, you should not be worried if you are start selling buying the altcoins. But if you have time, if you are watching every day the charts, then wait for it. Then Bitcoin will go for one more leg lower, this one tag the high, and then this will be the top timing when you should start buying the crypto. So what is the crypto? Let's take a look. The crypto over there. Okay, the crypto, this is the setups that I really prefer for the long-term trading. Okay, TLM for example, this is the good chart to watch. Why is it good? Okay, so I don't care about the fundamental. I don't care if this is even the real, but who cares? I don't care. I don't even read the news. I don't care what the fuck is behind every coin. Okay, so I really don't care. What I am interested for is that I have a lot of opportunities and that I am always selling high and buying low. Okay, this is why I'm always interested. So as you see on this picture, we're having a nice opportunity. If you start buying over there, we have nothing to lose. The price can just go over there, go close to zero and still be there. And what will be the worst case scenario? This can spend there 6 months or a year. So what did I lose? I didn't lose anything. But if this goes high, then my investment's gone really nicely. So I really don't care for long-term investors. I really don't care for long-term investing if this is gonna spend there 6 months, 5 months, or a year. Okay, eventually it's gonna go higher. Okay, it will go higher, and this is one of the good charts to watch and to invest for, TLM USDT. Okay, so keep in mind, keep an eye on it. Long term, don't short term. Leverage trader, stay away from these charts. They can just spike up, spike down. You can really easily lose your money, so that was the reason why you should stay away from it. Same there with the Epic. Epic is a same good chart. I see this is a nice structure over there, and this has to go higher. Okay, so same. I don't care about the fundamentals behind the chart. You just have to okay, so good fundamental, good long-term investing is this one. Okay, so these are the investments where you can make a lot of money for 1,300%. Okay, so that's not happening every day on the chart. Okay, so those who are there with me since really long, and let's say almost a year ago, some of them were facing this move in the academy as well. Okay, so let me show you the chart over there. It was the Dogecoin last year that I have posted over there for you. I don't know if you were there, if you are new, if you're old one, you will remember it. We made more than 1,000% of our investment. Okay, so if you invested 100 euros, you made 1,000. Let's say like that. Where is it? Here. It was about the Dogecoin. Okay, we didn't read any fundamentals, we didn't do anything, so there is the explanation, la la la, people were talking bullshit. So, and this is the example where you can buy the deep. Okay, this is buying the deep scenario where almost everyone is talking about buy the deep, but they have no idea what they are doing. Okay, so look at that one now. Okay, look at that one. That's the buying the deep scenario. Okay, so where we bought at the bottom, look at that one. Where we bought at the bottom, this is our bottom. Okay, over there. Did we care about the fundamentals? No. Did we care what Elon Musk did? No. Did we care what I don't care who did? We didn't care about nobody. We just stick to the chart. We were just reading what pattern and chart was telling to me. Okay, and that was the reason we bought it, and boom, 100% of the growth was over there. Okay, so by the April you made a 400%. Okay, by the April you made a 400%, and if you were keep holding, you made 1,000%, and that's what is again happening on the market. Okay, if you go on my profile, you will find the idea. You can watch it. I was updating you guys over there. Look at that one. Every buy has been dragged. Watch for continuation, and then boom, it just went up. Okay, by the April 16th we made 400%. And to not talk about anymore, I don't want to make this webinar too long. Here's the again same kind of the behavior. This is now buy the deep scenario where it's worth of investing for the long term. So keep an eye on it. Definitely we will track it. We'll watch it every day to see what's going on, how it's developing, and then of course we will make money. That's the least most important stuff over there. Okay, this one and another is ATP USD. This is the same behavior over there, and then let drop lower. Okay, Bitcoin will push it down and buy it from the previous low. Lith, same this one, LITH, lithium, same over there. It's at the bottom, almost at the bottom, so we are close to a nice opportunity where this is gonna go higher. Okay, don't care about the project. Meta, same there, that's gonna go higher as well. We are at the lows, so that ain't gonna go nowhere. Okay, so that's not what we are watching for, not possible. REQ, same there, we are almost at the lows. Okay, so this to go back at the high again. There's a good opportunity for long-term investing. Blocktopia, same there, we are somewhere there, and the good investment option is it's over there for you. XRD as well, we've been managing this one, so go back and watch the webinar since the December. You will know everything what I'm talking right now. So good time to invest right now. It's in this one and FILU USDT. Okay, this one is as well a good chart to invest and go for a nice profit. So all of few setups that I'm sharing with you are 1000% of the growth which I'm expecting in the upcoming months. So like I said, don't trade it with leverage, only with spot. Okay, only spot trade over there. Don't leverage trades on those setups that I'm currently sharing there with you. Okay, so I've been talking since really long now. Do you have any questions? So Mate, you're asking about why do you think Bitcoin definitely needs to complete this move? It's hard statement. Why are you so sure? I'm so sure because the pattern is showing to me like it's almost to be completed. Okay, one more leg lower and that's it. Okay, that's what I see. And as well, dominance is showing one more push higher. That everything now goes with my analysis. So really good. So Mate, you like the Sunday webinars. Okay, so it's really good. Okay, really good that you guys can attend the webinar. So I will keep it on Sunday. So for next Sunday you will know what we are doing. So if you are guys interested to join my team, my academy, my investors, then go to the website, fill the form there under the membership tab, and I will add you to my group. I will give you the access to all the videos. You will have to take a month off watching the videos and educating before you will grab the knowledge and before you will understand what we are talking in the group or what we are talking in the webinars. Okay, so epic, yeah, we did an epic. Okay, so the ICP. Okay, let me find the ICP. I have to add the ICP USDT. Then I will have to go, guys. I'm really sorry. ICP may be the good one as well, yeah. So, yeah, but I don't like it. It's not much data over there. It's fresh coin. Hey, it could be as well the good chart. But let's go a little bit deeper, and then you can buy it. Yeah, it's gonna be a good one for a long-term investment, of course, and buying without a leverage. So this is it, guys. I will slowly end the webinar over there. I have to go. I've been there almost 2 hours. So do not miss the next Sunday webinar. Follow me, subscribe there, follow in Telegram group. I'm not spamming a lot in Telegram group. We are much more active in the academy. So if you join the Telegram, there will be mostly the notification for the webinar. I share the setups on Telegram as well, the setups that I share on TradingView. So this is it, okay? So So take care, guys, enjoy your day, and see you next Sunday. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me on TradingView and send me the email. Okay, so send me the email if you have any additional questions. So take care, enjoy your day, and may the profit be with you next whole week, and a lot of good investment is what I wish to you. Bye bye.